It's Sunday, August 16, and Bitcoin is stuck at $63,000, getting rejected at $64,000 for the third straight day. In today's video, why Cboe just filed for something that could triple your gains or your losses, and a data breach in France that is putting real Bitcoin holders in physical danger. Let's get into it. Bitcoin is trading around 63,000, but it can't hold above 64,000. Analysts say it was rejected near 65,000 back on August 11, and it has been carving lower heights and lower lows ever since. Behind the stock price, spot Bitcoin ETF just posted their third straight day in outflows, adding up to roughly 389.7 million pulled out over the past week, the biggest weekly withdrawal in 6 weeks. BlackRock's IBIT led the assets with about 55.5 million out on August 14, while Fidelity's FBTC lost another 6.8 million the same day. Not everyone is selling. Bitwise BITB actually pulled in 6.1 million. This is the second straight day we're talking about ETFs outflows, and that's the real story right now. Not any single headline, but the trend. When the ETFs that have been driven this entire bull run starts leaking money for a week straight, it tells you institutional conventional is cooling off. That matters more than any one news event, because ETF flows are currently the clearest red on where the smart money thinks Bitcoin heading next. 64,000 is now the resistance. Everyone's watching 63 acting as immediately support. Below that, analysts are flagging a dangerous liquidity cluster around 61,000 level that could get tested fast if sellers push through the recent 62,400 low. Bitcoin exchanges reverses have climbed back above their 200-day moving average for the first time in 2 years, which can mean more coins are moving into exchanges and closer to being sold. Traders are also watching two catalysts this week: meeting minutes on August 19 and Japan's inflation data on August 21st. CVO's BXX exchange filed with the SEC on August 10 to launch 6 new 3x leverage ETFs, 2 of them tracking Bitcoin and Ether, alongside similar products for gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas. These funds wouldn't hold actual Bitcoin. Instead, they use CME futures contracts to try to deliver 3 times Bitcoin's daily move. The SEC officially started a review on August 14, and by rule has up to 90 days to decide. If approved, this will be the first SEC clear 3 times leverage crypto ETF in the United States. A much bigger, much riskier tool than anything currently on the market for everyday investors. It's also a signal regulators and exchanges are increasingly comfortably building more sophisticated Bitcoin products, which it reflects on how mainstream these assets have become. But there's a real catch, because 3x leverage resets every single day. These funds can lose value even if Bitcoin is flat or slightly up over the long stretch. This is the trading tool, not long-term holding. Hackers breach France General Public Finance late June, and the stolen data, names, homes, addresses, phone numbers, income, and tax ID details for roughly 678,000 people is now reportedly being sold in the dark web. Among those exposed, 27,000 people earning over 100,000 euros a year, 386 earning over a million euros a year, and 8 earning over 10 million euros a year. The data doesn't tag anyone as a crypto holder directly, but that's exactly the danger. Criminals can cross-reference and with other leaks databases to identify likely Bitcoin holders and their home addresses. This isn't hypothetical. France has become a global hotspot for so called ranch attackers, physical robberies, and kidnapping targeting crypto holders. Chainalyst has documented 30 known attacks in France in just first half of 2026, totaling more than 30 million stolen. And the country is on pace to blow past the 58 million record set in 2025. One case cited involved a couple whose new home was targeted three separate times in a month because of the previous owner crypto leaked tax info was still floating around online. This is the human cost of self custody when personal data leaks. It's not just about losing coins, it's about home addresses ending in the wrong hands. So here's where we stand. Bitcoin is boxed in under 64,000 with ETF money heading for the exits. Cboe wants to bring leverage crypto ETFs to the masses. And a data breach in France is a stark reminder that securing your Bitcoin means securing your identity also. What to watch out for next Wednesday, federal minutes, and whether that 62 for support holds through the weekend. See you tomorrow.